How to play GeoGuessr for free on your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can play GeoGuessr for free. So let's get started. First things first, open up web browser and then search for GeoGuessr. Now after you open it up, you'll have to log in. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and after you're logged in, what you'll need to do is you can just play the game 5 minutes and then wait for 15 minutes to play it again. So that is not free, so you can just upgrade to Pro to play GeoGuessr for free. So just tap on upgrade to Pro right here on the top right, and then after you do so, it will take some time to load, but it will show you different packages. Now here you can see different price for a month, and here you can see the best value one. So here what you can do is you can simply select one, and after you do that, tap on continue. But you can simply try GeoGuessr for free for the first week. Now after you do that, you need to make sure that you first cancel subscription before the week is over, or it will start deducting money. Now I'll teach you guys how you can cancel the subscription too. Go to your account, go to your account right here, and after you tap on account, just wait for it to load. And if you scroll down right here, you will see a subscription page. So here you can see subscription right here, your subscription. Now after you have a subscription, you can just simply cancel your subscription from right here, and you will be good to go. So that is how you can play GeoGuessr for free, and that is just for a week, but you can change your account or create new account and keep playing GeoGuessr. So that is all for this video guys. That is how you can play GeoGuessr for free. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.